everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to recreate this look, so if you do, please keep watching. So first I'm going to go into the Blood Sugar palette, and the two base colours I'm going to be using is Sugarcane and Cake Mix. The next shade I'm going to is Prick, and I'm just going to be using this all over the lid. Next I'm going to go into is a Patricia Bright palette, and then I'm going to be using the shade Miss Tropicana all over my lid again and crease. The next shade I'm going to go into is Pillow Talk, and I'm going to be using this in my crease. Now I'm going to be going into the colour Allspice. After I've done that, I'm just going to go back in with a clean brush and blend everything back out again. Now I'm going to go back into the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to be using this colour here. Now going back into the Patricia Bright palette, I'm going to be using Allspice yet again, and also Wifey mixed together. I'm just going to be blending that out again. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Shimmering, and I'm going to be using this on my brow bone and my inner corner. Now I'm going to go into the shade Flames just to add a little bit of sparkle to my lid. I'm going to be using the Peaches and Cream glitter base for the glitter. Now I'm just going to pat the glitter onto the lid. Now I'm going to be using some eyeliner. Now for under my eyes, I'm going to go into the shade Miss Tropicana. Next I'm going to go into the shade Pillow Talk. Now going back into the Blood Sugar palette, I'm just going to be using the shade Blood Sugar. Now for my waterline, I'm going to be using a black eyeliner. Now I'm going to just be blending that eyeliner out with this brush. Now I'm going to be adding these lashes. These are what the lashes are called. I'm just going to quickly do these off camera and I'll be right back. I'm going to be going back into the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to be using Glucose on my brow bone and my inner corner. Now that is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!